Welcome to the highly sought-after neighborhood of Seneca Heights at 123 Monsheen Drive in Woodbridge. Enrich your lifestyle by acquiring this distinctively designed bungaloft built with the highest standards and unlimited luxury finishes. It offers distinctively designed high ceilings, which provides a feeling of space packed with design features and loads of storage. If you value location, convenience, and quality, then you'll fall for this exceptional home. This home is geared for family living, and you will love entertaining in the warm and inviting living spaces. It's an absolutely fabulous home you will not be able to resist.